Well, I think this picture sums it up via Twitter from G.R. Bolden. Just a frigid Kentucky view out there as the sun broke. Of course, the snow came down. That was about a half an inch to an inch of snow for the majority of us. I measured around 4/10 of an inch behind the station around 4 or 5 o'clock this morning. Came through about midnight and before the morning commute there. So the Max Track is still showing over the past few hours the diminishing round of some light spotty snow showers and flurries that we had out there, and they've died down over eastern Kentucky as well. So the winter weather advisory has gone by the wayside. That's good news. Cluster of counties way out east, Carter County into West Virginia, still under it through 3 p.m. But the snow is pretty much done. The Arctic front is through. It's over eastern Kentucky and tracking east and out of here. And of course, filling the void here is this frigid air. It is 6 degrees in Lexington. We have a wind chill of 13 below. That's what it feels like out there, even with the sunshine. It's going to be a brutal afternoon, especially for anybody that has to work outside. The air is bone dry. It's Arctic air, and the dew points at 6 below. The wind is out of the west, sustained at 18 miles per hour. So we have the current air temperature at 6. It is sub-zero for the current temperature up in Covington. This is not the wind chill. This is the air temperature. You throw that awful gusty wind in that's hitting 35-mile-per-hour gusts in Jackson. That's what it does to your wind chill. Feels like it's 10 below in Richmond, 5 below in Danville, 24 below in Covington, and even 15 below in Flemingsburg. So we've pretty much bottomed out as far as that's concerned. It's going to stay frigid into the afternoon. I mean, look at the wind chill as you head north and west. You think this is bad? 45 below in O'Hare. It's been at times over 50 below. That's still the case up in International Falls. The upper Midwest is just an ice box. So we get that wind chill warning still in effect. We still have a wind chill advisory in effect. That's through early this afternoon. As the wind dies down, the wind chill will become less of a factor. It's still going to be nasty out there, but it'll be, 8 below instead of 15 below. And then overnight and into tomorrow morning, the wind continues to die down, but the air temperature could easily go sub-zero for the first time here in Lexington since last January. So, the wind chill still, it could feel like it's anywhere from 5 to 10 below, even into tomorrow morning. Now, don't anticipate much in the way of active weather. We're just dealing with this awful cold. We'll clear out today. The sun's out. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, not a whole lot happening. Friday, there's going to be a wave diving in, some snow initially, and then possibly some rain and snow showers as we make it into the mid-30s for highs. And then, as is often the case, you get this deep, bitter cold. We're going to snap back in a hurry. Wait till you see the 8-day forecast. You get whiplash just looking at it. 12 degrees. We'll be lucky to get back into the low teens. A lot of the bluegrass, especially northern Kentucky, probably going to stay in the single digits, upper single digits today. Tonight, a chance to go down to 5 below. Some of that snow still hanging around, the Arctic air in place. A good chance to get really cold, especially if we get decent breaks in the cloud coverage there as it tracks in. Here's the bounce back. 30s to 40s to maybe even pushing upper 50s near 60-degree highs. I know Dia's excited about that. That's early next week, talking about rain chances as well. So we get through this next frigid, about 24 to 48 hours, things are going to start looking up for us.
It's going to feel like a heat wave. All right, Tom, thank you.